Did you know cartoons got raindrops wrong? Most people imagine raindrops shaped like tears, but in reality, they are round like tiny balls when falling from the sky. Their spherical shape forms because of surface tension in water. Only when they hit the ground or windows do they flatten and splash into the shapes we recognize. High-speed cameras reveal the true beauty of raindrops in motion. It's another example of how nature works differently than we picture it. Even simple rain carries science in every drop. The truth hides in the smallest details of life. Subscribe now for more surprising nature facts.